Hello, curly kitties. Let's do Learn Fun. Hey, kids! Today, we are going to learn about a truly great invention, one that is stepping right out of our screens and into our world. Have you ever talked to a smart assistant on a phone or tablet?
Smart assistants.
That's called artificial intelligence, or AI.
Hello, I am AI.
For a long time, AI was like a super smart brain stuck inside a computer. But guess what? Now that brain is getting a body.
Thank you, Robo.
Imagine robots that can walk, carry things, and even help around the house. We call these humanoid robots.
Humanoid robots.
That means they're built a bit like humans, with arms, legs, and sometimes even faces. Amazing robots like the Figure 03 and Unitree R1 are being designed right now to do real-world jobs. They can help out in busy factories, clean up rooms, or even assist people at home. So, instead of just answering your questions, these robots can actually do things. They can pick things up, walk around, help people with everyday tasks. In the future, you might even have a robot helper at home, just like in science fiction movies. But don't worry, they are built to help humans, not replace them. People are always the ones in charge. Pretty cool, right? Who knows? Maybe one day you will be the one to help build or program one of these awesome robots.
Thank you for watching SUSVIKids. Let's do Learn Fun more.